LX570 Lexus, no crank, no start. Customer complaint, no crank, no start. Let's diagnose the car. I think there is problem in the starter or battery, loose connection. Start. In this time we will check the battery position, and first thing we check battery position and ground. This is multimeter, 20 volt DC. I select. I check no electric drop. Electric is good. Everything is good. Problem in the starter. There is problem in starter. In this video, I will show you how to remove starter and also repair. How to repair and remove the starter. The ground also is good. I remove before 14 millimeter bolt, 2 bolt. You can remove the starter in this way. I will show you only how to outside remove the starter. This is the location you can remove starter. This is the starter. I want to check. This solenoid is gone. No problem. The starter self is good. This solenoid is bad. Starter is working, but the solenoid is bad. Solenoid. This is RX starter. I remove switch from this starter, this one, and fix to this LX570. This solenoid switch same, but there is difference. We only remove the switch and fix in another one. This is the solenoid switch. We will change. starter solenoid. This is bad solenoid. I will fix this one. This is locked. Make sure you fix in the correct position this one. Very good working. Work is done. Finished. Little bit put grease here, oil or grease, and fix. After fixing, thank you for watching.